What's good, everybody? Bassdropkeys, I'm your friendly neighborhood Negro, and welcome to another episode of Good Eats. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make homemade ice cream in 5 minutes. Let's go ahead and get into it. Let's do it. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to use our Pyrex measuring cup as the bowl that we're going to measure everything in. We're going to go ahead and take our whole milk and put our half cup of whole milk inside of our bowl, our measuring cup. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take a half cup of cream and put it inside. Okay, next up is the vanilla extract. Now the recipe calls for half a teaspoon. If you want a little stronger, you can put a teaspoon in there, but just realize that it's very strong. So half a teaspoon will be just fine. The next step is we're gonna go ahead and put in our sugar. Now I've already showed you how to make this. If you don't know how to make this, I'll put the link in the description. Just click on it and it'll be right there. Okay, so the next step is we're gonna go ahead and mix up everything. You wanna make sure that the sugar is fully dissolved in your sugar and your cream. After that, you're good to go. We're gonna go ahead and move to the next step, which is we're gonna go ahead and take one of these bags. Now, I suggest that you get the bags with the zipper on them because sometimes the other ones can come open, and right now is not where you want this to happen. We do not, once we put this mixture inside the bag, we do not want this to open up or spill out. So go ahead and get the bags with the zipper on it. You can get any brand that you want. The smaller Ziploc bag is a quart bag, and then the bigger one is a gallon bag. So we're gonna go ahead and take our mixture that we've made and we're going to pour it inside of our quart bag. So let's go ahead and do that. Very nice. And then after we do that, we're going to go ahead and take our gallon bag and we're going to go ahead and put some ice in. Now I'm using 2 trays of ice. We're going to put 1 tray of ice inside of the bag, and then we're going to take our cup of salt and we're going to take half of the cup of salt and we're going to go ahead and put that inside over the ice. Now it's very important that you do this. The salt is actually going to help bring down the temperature of the ice, which in turn is going to help us make our ice cream. Then we're going to go ahead and put our mixture bag on top of the ice. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take another tray of ice and we're going to go ahead and put it in on top of the bag, just making sure that we don't rip the bag. And then after that, we're going to take the additional salt that's left over and we're going to put it over that ice. So we have ice, salt, the mixture bag, more ice, more salt, and then we close up the bag. And once you do that, we're going to go ahead and take a dish towel because this is going to be pretty cold, you know, we're lowering the temperature. We're going to take a dish towel, we're going to wrap it around the bag and we're going to shake it for 5 minutes. So let's go ahead and do it. All right, so it's been 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take our mixture out of the bag, grab a bowl, and look at this. Wow, how to make homemade ice cream in under 5 minutes. So I hope that this helped you out. If you have any suggestions for what I should do next, put it in the comment section. As always, peace.